Hey folks, Mike Johnson here. If it's got wheels and an engine, you're in the right place. On this channel, we dive into car repairs, maintenance tips, and everything you need to keep your ride running smooth. If you're into cars and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. All right, enough talking. Let's get into it.
Diagnostic trouble codes, DDC, are defined when there is a problem with your car. The codes are divided into 4 categories: powertrain, body, chassis, and network connection. Those beginning with P are classified in the powertrain category, and are often set in the event of mechanical or electrical failure of various systems involving the engine or transmission. Fixing a code is not easy, as it requires a thorough understanding of the problem. If your analysis tool has recorded the P0151 code, this guide will provide you with the essentials you need to know for troubleshooting. What does the P0151 code mean? Diagnostic Trouble Code, DDC, P0151 means O2 sensor circuit low voltage, bank 2, sensor 1. This means that the oxygen sensor voltage has been below factory specifications for some time. Code P0151 warns of an oxygen sensor fault upstream of bank 2. Code P0151 is similar to P0136, P0137, and P0131. This code warns of an oxygen sensor fault upstream of bank 2. Bank 2 sensor 1 is located in front of the catalytic converter. It analyzes the amount of oxygen in the exhaust before it enters the catalytic converter. The PCM uses this information to adjust the vehicle's air-fuel ratio. Since the upstream O2 sensor is the main feedback for fuel control, other codes can be stored with P0151 and the engine can therefore remain in open loop. To improve emissions, car makers fit cars with 3-way catalytic converters, which recombine toxic compounds into safer emissions through a chemical process. The PCM continuously tests the catalytic converter by comparing the voltage signals from the upstream and downstream O2 sensors. If the system detects that the upstream sensor signal is below specification, it recognizes this as low O2 sensor circuit voltage. The PCM will immediately switch on the check engine light and set code P0151. You can find more useful technical information in our in-depth discussion of oxygen sensors and DTCs. Note, the definition of code P0151 may differ depending on the vehicle manufacturer. Consult the appropriate repair manual or repair database for the exact code definition. What are the possible causes of code P0151? Several factors can cause the P0151 engine code to be activated. The most likely causes are faulty front O2 sensor, bank 2, a problem with the O2 sensor circuit, a lean running condition and exhaust leak. What are the common symptoms of code P0151? If you read the P0151 code on your OBD scanner, you're likely to experience these symptoms: a check engine light on abnormally high, fuel consumption, engine performance problems, such as irregular running and poor acceleration. How to diagnose the P0151 code? There are different ways to diagnose OBD code P0151, as different causes could trigger it. There is no universal diagnosis, as different cars are designed to look and operate in different ways. Consider consulting a certified mechanic to avoid making costly mistakes. How to repair the P0151 code? Clearing the P0151 code can be difficult, as there are various causes and symptoms. If you don't have the DIY skills and appropriate knowledge of the code, it's advisable to let certified mechanics do the work for you. If you're confident about your knowledge of that specific DDC code, you can remedy it by using online auto repair resources and guides like AllData. An AllData subscription will give you access to a huge database of information on various faults with your vehicle. Don't forget to check the key information about your vehicle before proceeding with diagnosis and troubleshooting using the repair manual. In conclusion, understanding fault code P0151 is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's performance and efficiency. This code indicates a low voltage issue in the oxygen sensor circuit for bank 2, sensor 1, which can lead to poor fuel economy and increased emissions if left unaddressed. Regular diagnostics and timely repairs can help you avoid more significant problems down the road. Always consult a professional mechanic if you're unsure about the steps to take. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative content on automotive issues.